Hello scientists, today I'm going to demonstrate how to make an anemometer. A couple materials I need are 5 3-ounce cups, a sharpened pencil, 2 straws, a push pin, and a hole puncher. So the first step is I need to take one of the paper cups and punch 4 holes just underneath the rim of the paper cup. I need to make sure that the holes are opposite each other. Okay, now that I've punched 4 holes into this cup, I'm going to punch 2 holes in the remaining 4 cups. I want to make sure that when I punch the holes that I go halfway up the cup and that the holes are adjacent to each other. So there's one hole and I leave some space and I punch the other hole. The next step is I need to take one of the plastic straws and thread it through the hole that has the cup that has the 4 holes. I want to make sure that the cup is in the middle or the center of the straw, just like this. I'm going to do the same for the next plastic straw. I'm going to thread it through the remaining holes of the cup. All right. Oops. Let's try again. Sometimes it's a little slippery, so I gotta switch the ends that I'm sliding through and see if this side will go through. There we go. Let's twist it that. Slide it. So what I'm doing is I'm taking that straw and I'm crossing the first straw that I slid through the holes of the cup. And I want to thread it through that other hole that's remaining. Again, you want to make sure that the cup is in the center of the straw or in the middle. There we go. That's pretty centered. So next I'm going to slide this down just a bit. Okay. So next I'm going to take the remaining 4 cups and slide the straw through those holes. So that's 1. Here's the second cup. I'll slide that through. There we go. And the last cup. There we go. There's the holes. All right. It's almost in there. Okay. Slide that. There we go. All right. So all 4 cups are on the ends of the straws. I want to make sure that they're facing the same direction, so they could be facing clockwise. That's how the hands of the clock move, in this direction. Or the cups could be facing counterclockwise. That's the opposite direction. Right now the cups are facing clockwise. If one of your cups is like this, it's resting, it looks like it's above the straw, you want to push it back down so you see the straw coming through. If that happens, your anemometer will not work. So make sure that the cups, you see the straw coming through the cups. The next step is you want to turn it over so you get the flat side of the cup in the center. You want to take that sharpened pencil and push a hole through the center of that cup. So just push through, and I'm just twisting back and forth to widen the hole. All right, once your pencil goes through that hole, you want to take the eraser end and push it through that hole. And I want to just turn the pencil around and around a bit to loosen up that hole because I want this anemometer to spin. Okay, that's pretty loose. So now I'm going to take the anemometer and I need to push a push pin through the straws and the head of the eraser. So I push it through the first straw, through the second straw, and now onto the head of the eraser. The push pin goes through. All right, the push pin is in. I'm going to test this anemometer out. I want to see if this anemometer will spin. So what I have next to me is I have my fan. I'm going to start the fan and let's watch and see if this anemometer spins. Let's give it a try. All right, it's moving a little bit. I'm going to turn the fan off, and that could be because my push pin is pushed too far into the eraser head. So I'm going to loosen it up. So if that happens to you, if you make an anemometer at home and it's not spinning, it could be because the push pin is pushed in too deep into the eraser. All right, I loosened it up a little bit. I'm going to give it a try again. There we go. It's working. I hope you enjoyed this video.